Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this beautiful 1967 original GTO with numbers matching 400 cubic inch motor. As you can see, power disc brakes and power steering, chrome valve covers. Really clean on the interior. Super nice car. Original Signet Gold color. And yes, it is sitting on its original red line, appearing original red line tires with its rally wheels. Real nice paint throughout the car. As you can see, vent windows, nice bucket seats, console car gauges, beautiful on the interior. Nice original trunk with original sheet metal, sporting its original GM stampings with no patches throughout the car at all. So that said, yep, spare tire in the trunk. Car is ready to go. No bubbling under the vinyl top. Appears to be really good condition. Everything opens and closes fine. Look at this. That's how a car should close. Excellent buckets. Dash is perfect. Nice cluster. 4-speed Hurst on the center console. And let's see here. I'm going to fire this thing up really quick. Paint looks really good on the car. I would rate this paint an 8 out of 10. Easy start, all tuned up and ready to go. Car showing, what's it, 99,144 on the odometer. Upgraded radio. I just have to hang this wire over in there really quick. Let's listen to the exhaust. Original chrome bumpers as well. Beautiful car, guys. It can be financed at MGMClassicCars.com. You can click the finance tab there. If you need delivery, text me, call me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, MGMClassicCars.com.